Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the League Dating app. So let's get started. So here you have to open your League Dating app. Okay. So basically you can just open it. So here you have to click on login. Then you can log in via your Facebook email or anything that you want. Okay. And if you are not logged in, then you can register. Then you can directly go to the page and it's type of a Tinder. You can just swipe right or left for the date. If you want to date like anyone, you can click like right, and don't just click on left. And by this way it works, and it's an easy way to. So basically in the League app the youth come and date each other. So by this way you can do. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.